Hi and welcome to OneSearch. We are going to look at what research guides are. So you can actually access the research guides in a couple of places. There's this button right here. You can also click on the three dots, which is show more, and it will pop up the research guides here as well. And on the home page, it has a section for research guides. So really what it's for is finding the best sources for your subject. So for us, we're in library and information science. So if we wanted to find the best resources, we would go to that research guide. So it kind of is a good starting point. I'm going to go ahead and click this button, but there are 3 different locations to get to it. So this one's going to take us to the home page for the research guide. So we're actually leaving OneSearch, and it's going to take us to the library and the research guides that are open to us. So you can search by subject, by type, by a specific librarian, or you can look at all guides. I'm going to keep it at subject, and I am going to put in information. So let's search that up just out of, see what happens. So this will pull up information science. So it has actually specific classes, what the subject is when we do that. And we can filter it off to the side by resources, which I'm going to go ahead and filter with library and science. Now, there is another way to go about this. So that pulled up all of the subjects, their topics, instructors. So I'm actually going to go back to the research guides right here. And I'm going to go about it a different way. So that shows you how you can see all of the classes within that topic. But also we have 81 subjects listed, and you can actually scroll down and go to library and information science if you wanted to just look at that specific subject. Then you'll notice that it pops up a few more topics within this broader subject. So if you've watched any of my other tutorials, you know which one I'm going to click on is children's and young adult literature. So when you click on that, it's going to take me to resources within that school, that library. So we have print resources, articles and databases, book lists and reviews, special topic research, and additional resources. It even has the librarian who oversees this. You can email them or schedule an appointment. And it's broken down into education resource collection. These would be physical books or physical materials you would get at the library, a way to narrow your topic, and search tips. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to go into articles and databases because I'm in the online iSchool, so I need things I can reach on the web. So these are subscription databases that San Jose State subscribes to, so as a student you have access to. You could look at any of these journals and see if any of them fit what you're looking for. There are web resources. There are scholarly journals, and all of this has already been curated. So the point of the research guides is that these sources have been curated and vetted by the librarian that oversees this subject. So it will actually start you out on the right track for that subject and your research. It doesn't have to stop here, but this is a good place to start. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to contact me at the library.